Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the drag and drop trading on cTrader. So first in your device, of course, head over and open your cTrader app. Now from here in the watch lists, you may want to search for the currency pair or asset that you would like to trade and click on it. So say for example, we want CT group. So we're just going to click on it. Then from here, scroll down and look for this mini chart. And we're just going to go to full screen by clicking on this full screen icon to get a larger view of the chart. Now here in the bottom corner of your screen, you can see sell and buy buttons. You can use this too to create a new order. Now say for example, you would like to buy an order. So all you have to do is drag this and drop it to your chart. Now you can also see here your stop loss where you can see the amount that you could lose in this trade. Now here you can also see your take profit. You can also drag this to your chart to see how much profit you can get from this trade if you won. And you can always cancel this order by clicking on the X button at the bottom corner of your screen. Just click on it and your order will then be automatically canceled. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!